If you are also bamboozled by the rapid and unbelievable growth of Nvidia stocks and wondering whether you should buy them or not, well, then it's an investment decision. In this video, I'm just going to show you the fear and greed index, which is something which was developed by CNN Business to measure how emotions influence how much investors are willing to pay for stocks. This index assumes that fear drives stocks lower while greed boosts stock values. As you can see on your screen, this is a live data from CNN Business website from CNN Markets, and this shows that right now the sentiment is of extreme greed, and it seems that it is inching forward these days. Now, as you can see, that previously there was also some extreme greed, and then 1 week ago it was extreme greed, 1 month ago it was greed. So it seems that it is creeping up to the extreme greed's higher levels. Now, the reason why I think this is happening is that because AI is still the rage, and everyone thinks that Nvidia stock will keep going up. Now, if you understand the markets, it's very hard to put any rationale behind it. But in my opinion, Nvidia stock is already overpriced, and because everything has been priced in, but I may be wrong because no one knows about anything. So, if you want to buy Nvidia stock, maybe do your own research and then see if it makes value or not. But I just thought of doing this video to inform everyone that, well, right now the sentiment is of extreme greed. Thanks.